Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, we see how to use the left function. Suppose you have a code and you need to get the first four characters from this code. This left function helps you do that. Here how you do it, first type is equal to and then left. Next select the column with the code and enter the number 4 to get the first four characters. Press enter and you see that the first four characters appears. Now I copy and paste formula down and you see that four characters from each code are shown. I hope this video helps you understand how to use the left function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.